Hi, this is Ishu Bhalla. Welcome to my new channel, Blogs on Astro by Ishu. Thank you so very much for watching my previous video, My Take on Astrology. And yes, I would request you to please subscribe my channel. I am available for the consultation counseling. My details are there in the description box. Saturn, the teacher of life, शनि जीवन का एक सत्य है और यही मेरा टॉपिक है आज के वीडियो के लिए. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun, the second largest planet after Jupiter in our solar system. It is a slow planet and it takes about 30 months to cross a zodiac sign. It rules two zodiac signs, Capricorn and Aquarius, जिसे हम मकर और कुंभ राशि के नाम से जानते हैं. Saturn लिब्रा में exalted position पे होता है 20 डिग्री में. It is in its exalted position in Libra at 20 डिग्री और उसी डिग्री में it is in debilitated यानी कि नीच का in the Aries sign, जिसे हम मेष राशि के नाम से जानते हैं. Saturn shares friendly relationship with Venus and Mercury and has an enmity with Sun, Moon and Mars. It has neutral relationship with the Jupiter. वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी में कहा जाता है यदि शनि थर्ड हाउस में हो, सिक्स्थ हाउस में हो, 10th हाउस में हो, 11th हाउस में हो और सेकंड और 8th हाउस में भी हो, then it has the potential to give good results. लेकिन ये एक जनरल व्यू पॉइंट है because it requires detailed analysis going into various aspects and combination before coming to any conclusion about the potential of any planet in the chart. The planet is so very often described as the most malefic of all by many who are in the business of astrology. और वो सब क्यों करते हैं? That is to create panic and anxiety, fear in the minds of people, taking them to various artificial remedies and finally into what? Sorrow, grief and depression. पर क्या ये एक सच्चाई है? Or is it just a myth? My take is, and that's my personal opinion, that it is absolutely irrational to call this planet a planet of sorrow and grief only. मैं ये क्यों कह रहा हूं? क्योंकि दिस इज द ओनली प्लेनेट, यही एक प्लेनेट है जो हमारे में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ला सकता है. इट कैन मेक अस बेटर ह्यूमन बीइंग. इट टेक्स अस टुवर्ड्स स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड लर्निंग. इट वांट्स अस टू लीड द डिसिप्लिन्ड लाइफ. It is the कारक of hard work and honesty. It is the planet of justice for our deeds and our karmas. और यदि ये सब है, then how can it be a planet of sorrow and grief only? And then should we really need to worry unnecessary from this planet, or we need to learn from this planet? The planet has the potential to give everything: name, fame, and wealth, if it is in beneficial position and getting all the necessary support in the chart. And vice versa if not. But the real outcome will be after factoring what your karmas are, what your deeds are. A benefic Saturn getting all the necessary support may take away everything from you what it had given to you. If your deeds are not good, if your karmas are not good, if you are not honest to yourself, if you are not honest to others. And on the other side, even a weak Saturn, a malefic Saturn, has the potential to teach you patience, courage, determination, confidence to face the difficult time, to face the crisis and come out of it much wiser and stronger human being. If your deeds are good, if your karmas are good. And that is the real blessing of this planet. And that is where Saturn is the truth of life. ये जिंदगी की एक सच्चाई है. It is a planet of karma. And what is the philosophy of this planet? What this planet wants from us? Saturn represents old people, and thus every human being must respect their parents, elders in the family and in the society. Saturn believes in humbleness, modesty. One needs to be far more humble and modest with every success in life. Saturn has the potential to hit back if one is becoming egoistic and arrogant because of wealth, power and success and start treating others badly. Saturn believes in hard work, duty, responsibility, efforts in all sincerity. And it doesn't support those which are hoping for the miracles to happen without making any effort, without doing anything. Saturn is all about doing service. It represents servants, and it expects that we must even respect our servants, our employees. Saturn believes in honesty, patience, determination, loyalty, and it rewards good karmas, good deeds, and punishes if we follow the path of evil and betrayal. So Saturn stands for the truth of life, which is simple and uncomplicated. This is the planet of transformation. The remedy of this planet lies in its simplicity, in its philosophy. A solution to malefic Saturn is not available in the market through artificial remedies or through stones and rings. A solution to malefic Saturn lies in your efforts, your honesty, your sincerity, your prayers, and your belief in the philosophy of this planet. Similarly, a benefic, exalted planet with blue sapphire may not be able to help you beyond a point. It will rather take away everything from you, what it had given to you, if you don't follow the path of this planet. And that is the truth of life. That is the truth of this planet. So bow your head in front of Lord Shanidev on every Saturday. Chant Shani Mantra 108 times, a simple one. Om Sham Shanishcharaya Namah, either in the morning or in the evening after taking the bath. Worship Lord Hanumanji. Worship people tree. Offer food to poor people. Follow the path, the philosophy of this great planet to get the right direction in your life and be a wiser, simple and humble human being. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Please must subscribe my channel. And as I said, I'm available for the consultation counseling. My details are given below in the description box. Please stay safe, stay healthy. Namaskar.